Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk, and if you saw my last Temu haul, you saw these nails and I could not wait to apply them. So let's get into the tutorial. So if you missed my Temu haul video, go check it out because I got some real super cute, cool stuff. I got nail supplies, press-on nails, press-on toenails, jewelry, earrings, everything. And these nails were in that Temu haul. Also, that nail art palette that the nails are sitting on were a part of the Temu haul, and I'm also going to be using the nail glue that I got from Temu in that Temu haul. I heard Temu's nail glue was really good and your nails will last a long time with this glue, so we are about to put it to the test. So what I'm doing right now is using my e-file just to knock the shiny layer from the top of my natural nails, and I'm also going to use my e-file to shave the shine from the underside of the press-on nail, which will also give it a rougher surface so that it sticks better to the glue, so that the glue sticks better to your natural nail and your nails will stick better and last longer. So let's get into the application of these nails. I'm going in with the glue, just applying a layer all over the top of my natural nail, which on this thumbnail I did not apply enough glue. And this Temu nail glue dries so fast, and that was a mistake that I made with my thumb, but I redeemed myself with my other fingers. But you can clearly see the air bubbles under that thumbnail, so make sure you put a nice bubble of glue, not too much glue to where it's spilling over, but not too little either, because you'll get those air bubbles underneath. And my index finger that I'm doing right now is a prime example of how much glue you want to put on your nail. So then after we press the nail on for 30 seconds, this is how the nail looks. And as you can see, no air bubbles. Everything looks great. So make sure you have a nice bubble of glue, and that is exactly how it should look. Make sure you top your nail glue up after each use so that it doesn't dry out. Line the press-on nail up with your cuticle area. Press down. Do not lift the nail once you have it pressed down, and hold it for 30 seconds and your nails will come out great. So I'm just gonna finish applying my last two nails on this hand. Okay, so all the nails are on, and as you can see, they were so easy to apply and they look bomb. Just if you were to just do that, they look bomb and you can go on about your day. But of course, I'm not done yet. I'm gonna go in with my pink nail cutter, which is also from Temu, and everything used in this video is pretty much from Temu, and it will all be linked in the description of this video. I wanted my nails just a little bit shorter, so I used my nail cutter to cut them down just a little bit, and I'm going to be using the pink nail file that came with the pack of press-on nails just to clean up my tips of my nails and make sure my tips are nice and even. But let's talk about these nails because I have to give y'all my honest review. These nails are good quality to be only $1.79. They have a good thickness to them. They're not flat. My natural nail beds are not flat, so these nails have a curve that fits my nail bed really perfect. And on the tips of the nails, they have a very nice C curve, which I love that shape on the tips of my nails. And I can also tell that these nails are not gonna bend or break easy. I kind of tested the durability on one of them by, bending it or seeing if it would bend easy, and it did not bend at all, so that was a plus. So next, what I'm doing is I'm gonna apply some bling on these nails because I just felt like I wanted to jazz them up a little bit. So I have my nail glue. I put a small dot of glue on the nail where I'm going to place the rhinestone. And y'all know this part is always hard for me. Like, I am not a pro at applying rhinestones. And when I say that Temu glue dries fast, it dries fast. So I had to apply these stones as fast as I could, because once you put that glue, that dot of glue on there, you got to be ready to pick up that rhinestone with that tweezer and place it exactly where you want it. And if you misplace it, it's just gonna be stuck there, because that's how fast drying this glue is. And I really didn't realize how fast drying the glue was until I started applying these rhinestones. I was good with applying the nails because I put them on fairly quick anyway, but when applying these rhinestones, I was like, okay, this glue drying fast. I need to hurry up. So I got 2 of the stones on so far, and it's looking good. And I'm basically kind of just freestyling. I didn't really know exactly how I was going to place the stones. I just know I wanted some bling bling on my nails. So I'm just freestyling, and whatever is coming to my mind, that's what I'm doing. So I was like, okay, I'm going to just keep the straight line of rhinestone going down the center of this nail, and we're just going to keep it moving. And look how cute that looks. That is so cute. I'm proud of myself. So since I messed up this thumbnail and you can see the air bubbles underneath the nail, I kind of wanted to place some stones, some larger stones on my thumb to kind of cover up those spots. So again, I'm freestyling this as well. I didn't really have a plan as to how I was going to place these stones, but I was like, I can't just put one stone right there. So I was like, okay, I'm going to make a diagonal line to kind of cover up that glue bubble spot that's showing. And that nail glue dries so quick, y'all. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, the rhinestone got stuck where I did not want it to be. So I kind of literally had to use the tweezer to push it just a little bit so that it can go where I was trying to stick it. I don't know what Temu got in this glue, but I like it, okay? Even though it's hard for me to apply these stones, I like it because that lets me know that my nails are going to last for a while. Because not only is it fast drying, but once you place that nail on your finger or place a rhinestone down on that glue, it is not moving or going nowhere. So if you use this glue, just be prepared, because wherever you lay that stone, that's where it's gonna be. No, now it's stuck there. Y'all think I can squeeze one right there? Oh my gosh. So I just kind of squeezed one on the side, and then I added another one down towards the bottom to kind of even the line. Like, it was supposed to be like that, but lesson learned. You got to be quick and have a steady hand and be prepared. So now I'm going in with my gel top coat, my Model 1's top coat, and I brought my big nail lamp out because I'm going to cure my whole hand together once I apply a layer of gel top coat on all of my nails. And I'm being careful. I'm not going over the stones with the top coat because I want them to stay shiny. I don't want the top coat to kind of dim the shine on the rhinestones. So the ones that I have rhinestones on, I'm just going around the rhinestones, being careful not to paint over them with the gel top coat. The gel top coat gives the nails an extra thickness and also gives them a good shine so that they look professional, like you went to the nail shop. We are trying to give nail shop per usual. We are not trying to give press on. And if you ask me, I say these nails are very much giving nail shop. So we're going to cure that top coat for 60 seconds and then apply a second layer of top coat and cure it again for 60 seconds under the light. I always do a total of 2 top coats. And boom, just like that, we got a bomb fresh set. I am loving this set, y'all. They came out so pretty. We just got one more thing to do, and that is to apply some of our Blossom Cuticle Oil, which is my favorite cuticle oil. I got it from Five Below. I have had this cuticle oil forever, and it's still going strong. I don't even know if Five Below still has it, but I'm definitely going to go in there to see if I can get another one. It has a rose smell to it, and it smells really good, and it moisturizes my cuticles and my hands really well. So I just applied it around my cuticles, and then I'm going to rub it into my cuticles and my hands as well, so that we don't have no ashy hands. Our nails can't be cute with ashy fingers. I'm sorry. And look how bomb these nails came out, y'all. Bomb, bomb, bomb. And this is my right hand. I did my right hand as well. I just didn't add any bling on my right hand, but they look just as cute without the bling. And if y'all didn't notice, I did a theme in this video. So everything I used was pink, from the nail glue to the nail file to the nails, my e-file, and even my nail cutter was pink. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything pink about this video. And if you're viewing this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You are going to love it here. As always, like and comment as well, and hit that notification bell so you know when the next video is dropping. I'll also be doing a nail update video, and you can also see my pics on the community tab for updates as well. Make sure you click the links in the description of this video and download the Temu app, and don't forget to use my discount code FAVE23582 to save on your Temu order and get some good discount coupons. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.